Hello guys and welcome to this new video. Today I want to speak about this React application and I used with it Spotify API. First of all, I want to show you a simple wireframe about the Spotify artist search. Here we have a login button with this icon and a search input uh, having in its placeholder search for an artist, and I did this search input to be search on functionality. And these cards I got them using Bootstrap, and I also used React Bootstrap. And to do the styling, I used also CSS. When the user press one of these cards, it will take him to albums of the related artist. So let's go and start. When you press login, it will take you to the Spotify application to see that if you are authorized or not, as well as this will generate an access token using my client ID. I will show you also my code. And here, if we wrote Tom Petty, okay, so it will give us several cards. And if press on Tom Petty, it will also take us to the albums related to him. And if we want to see more on Spotify, press preview on Spotify. It will take us to Spotify web application. Okay, first of all, I need to say uh, this application requires Spotify for developers login. So you need to log into Spotify for developers and also create an app. You want to use the client ID as well as the redirect URIs. With the code, I used React Router DOM to route between each path in my code, as well as this is the login page. Okay, here I define the client ID as well as where I wanna redirect my application, and it will get the access token automatically and store it in the session storage. After this, it will take us to the artist search file, in which here I use the use location uh, from React Router DOM to get my access token, and as well as I use the use effect to make a side effect having a set timeout 500 0 0.5 seconds to deploy the output of my cards, as well as I did an album list file to store my cards. Okay, so I got them from Bootstrap as I told you, and I did some styling for them in this file in the artist search.css, and I linked them to this. I linked them, okay, and I linked them to my artist search as a component, and I used the map method like to map through each artist and have many cards as well. And for the artist details, I faced a small problem here in the access token. It wasn't storing in session storage to go through the access token, so I get it manually here. But as you know, Spotify API can be is free for 1 hour and a couple of minutes. So this is a problem that I wanna fix. So I faced this challenge. I was trying to solve it. Uh, okay. And also here for the cards, I used Bootstrap also to get these, and as well as I styled them as I want. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.